Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to be working on TL once again. And I recently just replaced the drive axles, and I swapped out the new brakes. Actually, I'm going to show you guys right now. So let me get out of the car. All right. These are Detroit axles, and they look amazing. And the performance-wise on these, they stop a lot quicker than what it was before. Although the only issue is that the brake pedal is still squishy. I think I just haven't replaced the brake fluid, so I'm gonna be doing that soon. It should be pretty easy and straightforward how to do that. But today we are gonna be working on the head unit. Yes, I did take it apart already, so it should slip out. But I don't think these screws are necessary to be put back in. But the tools you need is mainly a flathead. It could be any type. It could be the long ones, and then a Phillips screwdriver. So this is all you need. So let's get right into this really quick. All right, so this is how the head unit looks as of right now. Yes, it's like damaged. The glass is completely broken, but it still works. It's just the screen that's broken. So I got this new one. It should be easy replacement, right connections. So the thing is, if you're gonna replace this, I would recommend you guys take this out to make sure you guys got the proper connections. If not, you guys have to return it and then order a new one, which is going to take longer. So I would prefer you guys just to take this out before anything. So in order to take everything out, let me put my keys right here. Let me close the door, it's cold. So what you're going to have to do is pull the e-brake up so you can have clearance to take out these portions of the panel. Okay, so now you just have to take everything out from the cup holder. Yeah, these are the screws that goes into this head unit. So I'd rather leave this here since the cup holder is all one piece. And then you come in here. You definitely have to take this part. You have to take this whole entire center console apart, which is gonna be a hassle. Which is gonna be straightforward. Just let me remove almost everything in here. And then you get the Phillips screwdriver, and then there should be two screws that are in here that are located right there. You just remove that. Okay, so next, after you popped out those two screws, and you can just leave them in here. You're gonna take off these panels. Should be pretty simple. I recommend getting a flathead. It should be easier, so you don't have to damage this. And let's pull it out right here. Oh, I broke something. Where'd it go? Okay, now you just gotta take out these screws. Take all these screws as much as possible. And then once you get these screws out, you're gonna open up this part of the compartment where this thing could pop out easier. So you get to these screws. And then this side as well, you could just pop them out. You just put this down to help you maneuver your way, and then you have to pop out this, you just have to pry it out. But right here, let's see, where's that flathead? Just pry it out. Wait, actually, I'm gonna do that. So, just pry out like this. Hold on, put it down. So as you take this head unit out, or not the unit, the AC unit out, for me, I haven't put the screws back on. So for me, I could just slide it out, right? But the thing is, before all of this, you have to take this whole entire compartment out of the way. So just have to do this. Make sure you disconnect that, do that, right? And then you put this off to the side. What I can do is just simply slip it on, but I want this to be secure as best as possible. So make sure everything, what I said, is done properly. Oh, and also you gotta make sure you gotta take this panel off too, so you get access or clearance to take this whole entire unit apart. So I'm gonna start doing that really quick, and I'll show you guys how to properly put everything back together after this. So the radio is out. It should be pretty simple. You have to take out everything all apart. So, so now that the radio is out, you can mount this just like that. No, it's fine. You just gotta slide it in. Make sure the screws are properly intact. that. There's screws right here, and then 4 screws in the back. I'm not, as you can see, there's like holes right there. But I'm gonna fully detach the radio from the wiring, because I have to get to these holes right here in order to be properly mounted. These holes, I don't really care. I mean, this bracket is already broken compared to this side. So most likely I'm gonna be slowly putting everything back together on slow motion, not slow motion, a montage of it, so you guys don't have to break any portion of your panels or anything. Guys, so that's gonna be the end for today's video, and here's a major difference between the new one, or the used one, and then the broken one. So I hope this video helped you guys out today. If not, just let me know if you guys have any questions down below in the comments below, or if anything, just hit me up on Instagram if you guys have any questions about like the center console and like how to replace this and that. So just let me know, and I'll respond like within 5 to 10 minutes, sometimes an hour if I'm not too busy. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'm so sorry for a very late upload or a long video that should be coming soon. But anyways, I hope this helped. So peace out.